Hi, and welcome to WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby. Hi everyone, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to be doing a chicken jerky with sweet potato. It's our doggy crack, it's our newest flavor. So we'll just need a few things from the kitchen. Grab your four-legged ones and let's get started. A few things from the kitchen that we'll need today. We'll need thawed out, refrigerated chicken tenderloins. Definitely grab some gloves and paper towels, poultry scissors, and today we're going to be using a sweet potato powder. It's all natural, unsweetened, one ingredient. And then depending on your preference, because we're making a lot for the store today, we have a electric chicken dicer. We also have a manual dicer, but again, a pair of scissors is adequate for what you'll need today just at home. Make sure you have plenty of prep space for your table for working on today. We're gonna grab our trays from our dehydrator and we're gonna go ahead and stack them up. Because of dealing with raw poultry today, we're gonna go ahead and separate what we're gonna use from our sweet potato powder and go ahead and just grab our small mixing bowl and then apply more if needed. That way we're not dipping our hands with raw chicken into the bag and then going in and out, and this will stay clean if you don't use it all for next time. Make sure your hands are clean or your gloves are available. We're going to go ahead and open our first bag. Just be mindful that the tenderloins, if you leave them as is, they're much thicker, so they're going to take a lot longer to dehydrate. Whereas with the scissors or a proper cutting machine, you can make them as thin as you want and they'll dry out quicker. So grab your scissors. In our case, we're going to be grabbing one of our machines. We're just going to go ahead and plop a few of the tenderloins on. Grab our handle. Just press down. And it's a pretty good job of separating them. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to dry out quicker. They're going to be thinner. Now that we have our dehydrator filled, we're going to go ahead and securely close up everything. We're going to set our timer. Depending on your machine, we're going to be setting our machine for approximately 72 hours, an additional 30 minutes for it to warm up to temperature. Always check your dehydrator often to make sure that everything's drying out correctly. After our timer's up, everything is all dried out. You can see how much it shrunk, all the moisture's gone, and you should be able to easily snap and break a piece off, and you are ready after they're cooled down for enjoyment. And of course, the most important part of the video is the test.